A common mistake that I hear in Irish is people responding níl to an ro, or just using the wrong tense. Matan botin seo deanta agad, ná bí burtha, do not worry, you will be understood. You want to use the negative that is clearly understood. However, we want to get it right, don't we? I might ask, an ro Jerry Sharton your white hugget, and you might say níl. So what I've asked is, did you have a good weekend? And you've responded, is not. It'd be like saying in English, did you have a good weekend? And then replying, I do not. The weekend has passed, so you want to say ní ro. My advice for this is just pay close attention to the tense being used, and ro, ní ro. Níl gets overused, it gets used incorrectly a lot. Níl is a combination of ní agus will. So if you are asked an will, that's when you can use níl for the negative, not in any other situation. This can happen with the positive too. I've just heard it more so with the negative. Ná bí burtha faoin watchin seo, lean ar ai, you've got this.